Hello, good day. In this virtual class, we're going to look at this topic. In my previous video, in the previous virtual class, I mentioned that we're going to look at division by subtraction. Here, we're going to look at it, division by subtraction and addition. So we manipulate subtraction and addition to obtain the quotients of given numbers. Okay, detail. Example 1: divide 72 by 8. We know the quotient is actually 9. Let's see how we can use this approach to arrive at 9, which is the quotient. Remember, 72 is the dividend and the divisor is 8. Okay, here I will use two approaches to tackle this problem. The first approach, here we will choose a natural number, any natural number. Okay, but here I choose 4. You can choose any other number other than 4, so long that you are able to remember that 4 multiply the divisor. Okay, so any number we choose here, we eventually use it to multiply the divisor. Okay, that is the essence. So let's now, here I choose 4, so we use 4 to multiply 8. So 8 times 4, 8 times 4, and that gives 32. Okay, so we rewrite this. The next step is that we subtract this result obtained, which is 32, from the dividend, which is 72. Okay, the reason why we are subtracting 32 from the dividend is that because the product here is not is still less than the dividend. Okay, so here we say 72 minus 32. Remember that number, the natural number we choose, any number you choose, you must add it to the result. So here you can see the next step, 72 over 8 is equal to 72 minus 32 over 8 plus 4. That 4 we choose initially. Okay. Then the next step is 72 minus 32 is 40. Okay. 72 over 8 is equal to 40 over 8 plus that 4. Okay. Now you can see that the essence of doing this is to see that it will reduce this number, the dividend, to a number that we can easily manage, that we can easily manage. Okay, because it is easier, or it is easy to divide 40 by 8 than 72 divided by 8. So it is easy for us to obtain the result of 40 divided by 8 by mere guessing than that of 72 divided by 8. Okay, the next step here is how do we now simplify 40 over 8? Here we can also write 40 over 8 as 4 times 10 over 8 plus 4. Okay, so 72 over 8 is equal to 4 times 10 over 8 plus 4. Then the 10 over 8 can also be expressed as 2 times 5 all over 2 times 4. So we'll look at the highest common factor now of 10 and 8. Okay, so here we say this 4 times 2 times 5 all over 2 times 4. So 2 divide 2, that will off. The 4 that is highlighted there is 4 divided by 4, and what is left there is 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, that is the first approach. Then the other approach is very interesting. Okay, it's very interesting. Now in the second approach, it is very easy if we want to. It is easy to obtain the result, or children can easily understand. If you are multiplying the number by 10, they can easily guess the right answer. Okay, so we're going to make use of that one. But in this case, we're going to see a situation that is taking the reverse. Okay, now once you choose any number, any natural number, and you use it to multiply the divisor, the result so obtained, if it exceeds the dividend given, all you need to do, you will write that number first, then minus the normal basic operation you are going to write. But in this case, you are going to write the number so obtained now minus the dividend. Okay, so that's what will happen here now. Here, if we choose 10 now, so 10 times the divisor, which is 8, 10 times 8, that gives 80. Okay, now that 80, our expression will now become, we are no longer writing this one, since the 80 exceeded 72, so we write 10 first minus that 80 minus 72. The 80 so obtained there minus the dividend divided by the divisor. Okay, so 80 minus 72, that gives us 8, and 8 divide 8 is 1. So here you can see it clearly that our final answer becomes 10 minus 1. So 8 divided 8 is 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is how to use to manipulate division by the way of trying to incorporate subtraction as well as addition. Okay, well, I will throw more light on this by bringing in more example in my next virtual class. Have a nice time. Please, help me share, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button once similar videos appear so that we have access to them.